なんともなんともなんともなんともなんともいい加減おとなしく切られ
They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own. Keep going with my goal. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. On my own.
Hello guys, we're back with some more Chainsaw Man. We're on episode 5 titled Gun Devil. So last episode, DNG was fighting a Bat Devil, rescued Power, and now Power and DNG are living with oh Lord, how do you pronounce his name? Aki. I'm gonna call him Aki because I can't pronounce his last name that well. Let me see if I'm trying. Hold on. Hayakawa. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So they moving in with him, and because she did promise Denji, like, you save me and Meowie, her freaking cat, he gets to touch a boob. So that's kind of where we left off last episode. He's getting ready to touch some boobies. So let's jump into episode 5. Is he gonna touch her boob for real? Cause like, touch a boob already, stuff you hyperventilating and everything. Just grab it and squeeze. Grab and squeeze. Not that hard. Grab and squeeze, son. Thank you. Okay, she's not really helping it. Oh my, he is fondling him, bro. He said that's it. Yeah, she said 3, son. She told you only 3. I guess he expected it to be a little bit longer, I guess, the fondling, I guess. I mean, you gotta make it worth it though. Like those three times, you gotta make it worth the while, son. You gotta get in there and just, get in there. That's all I can say. Ooh, they ain't gonna lie, that look good. Got sausage, got some bacon, got some. Ma'am. Oh, we would have been fighting right there. You ain't gonna sit there and take my food off my plate. That's a fight right there. We gonna fight. I don't care if you're a double. I will beat your ass with my food. Is he still in the space? Cause the fun is her. It happened. Come on now.
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは。
Yeah, that's usually what happens. You make because you're making it a bigger deal than what it actually is. And when it gets happening, it's happening. You just like, that's it. Because you build it up so much in your mind. That's what happens. That's why they tell people don't do that. Because when you build up certain stuff so much, you create this fantasy. So the fantasy is more amazing than when it actually happens. So be real. Set realistic expectations, people. That is true. You gotta understand the person. But can we? But the fact that she's his boss makes me very uncomfortable with this whole situation. She got this boy wrapped around her damn finger, bro, and it makes me so uncomfortable given his past. Man, she has this child wrapped around her finger, and I don't like it.
銃の悪魔。
13年前、米国に出現して今もどこにいるかわからない。
Really? It appeared in America, the Gun Devil. Really? We would be the country that would have a Gun Devil. It would be us. It would be us. The gun. I can't. Does he actually look like a freaking Glock? I'm trying to figure out how it would look because they take on the form of the thing that they are. Like, so I'm assuming it's gonna look like how he looks as a chainsaw man, but it's gonna be the barrel of a gun. I'm assuming that's what it's gonna look like him, but like that. Oh look, it's America. Yeah, look America. Yeah, that look about right.
都会のネズミの家族は外でキャッチボールしてよ。
太陽の具合が良くないんだ。一人で。
Y'all both don't have to.
お兄ちゃんなんだから。
You don't need two parents to be by the sick kid. One of y'all can play with your older child. It don't need both of y'all to read them an effing book. One parent could be with that child, and the other parent could be with their older shit. Like, I'm trying to figure out why both of y'all need to be in there. Like, I'm sensing child neglect right now. It's too happy. Something bad about to happen. I don't trust this. Anytime stuff is too happy, it's always something bad gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. I feel it. I feel it. Because he told him go grab a glove from the house. Something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. I don't like this. Oh!
だいたい5分弱で120万人を殺した後
I knew something bad. I was not expecting that. Oh my god. The whole house. How is that from a gun? That was more like a bomb.
A few moments later.
I'm done. I am done.
お前ら、敬語はどうした？何の得もねえんだよ。早川先輩。
先輩
Really? God, I'm trying like some dang. Oh my god, I can't.
それに俺は大切なことを教わった。エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいいんだ。名前も知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね。
へえベロ入れたキスしてあげる
Oh my god. Yeah, bribing this man with sex and stuff. I can't.
お前たちまだ悪魔が潜んでるんだぞ。もう少し静かに。
They going in circles, aren't they?
俺。
Cause they just made that. Yep, they going in circles. And he's back at the. Yep.
荒井君、今
Yep.
階段降りていったよね。
Why is she there? Why is she there? Cause she's not useless. She better have like some bomb ability. Cause she gonna get y'all killed. But yeah, that I don't see how that was a bomb. I mean a gun double. That house blew away like a group hit it. Like it was Judgment Day. No way in the world that was gun double unless it was a big barrel gun. Unless it was just shotgun from hell. No way in the world. And this whole thing with Denji, really? So the boss like, if you kill his boss literally told him, if you kill this gun devil, I will give you the cheeks. And he's like, why are we doing this to this young man? He has been through enough in life. Why are we doing this to him? That's all I want to know. Why are we doing this to this young man? That's That's all I want to know. I just can't with this show. Oh my god, I just can't. But anyway, that's all for episode 5, Chainsaw Man. See you guys next time. Follow me on social media. Bye bye.